So the first thing in Activity 11 that I found interesting was normative diets are analogous to first languages in that they are acquired without overt teaching. They are also difficult to change or modify once a critical period in development is passed. So I found this kind of interesting because I didn't really think of food being compared to first languages, but when you think about it, really, when you're young and eating, it's just something that kind of comes natural. You kind of know when you're supposed to eat and what you're supposed to eat without really asking questions. So I find that pretty interesting. The second thing I found interesting was that almost 40% of the approximately 3,000 preschoolers in their study had a TV set in their bedroom and were more likely to be overweight. And I don't really think it's based on them just watching TV while eating or having TV in their bedroom. It's more of the commercials and advertisements of fatty foods and unhealthy foods that they may catch on to and see that in the advertisements maybe kids are having fun while eating this or something like that that would make them want to eat that food, and that's causing them to become more likely to be overweight.